is a goal? A goal is a planned conflict with your own status quo. In simplest terms, reaching a meaningful goal means doing something new and leaving the familiar terrain of your personal comfort zones. Probably one of the main reasons people do not set goals is because they must be willing to forsake old patterns and push toward the new behaviors. It's been said fully 95% of everything you do, everything I do, is determined by our habits, either good or bad. What is a habit? It's an automatic, trained response. It's a very predictable ritual. Therefore, your first and greatest goal in life should be to form good habits that will automatically enhance the quality of your life as well as broaden your scope of achievements. Now remember, goal setting is a planned conflict with your own status quo. It's not what you necessarily need to do that keeps you from reaching what you want, but rather what you need to stop doing. In essence, goal setting is a realization that if you want a new result, you have to become a new person, and that's going to take work. Because as the saying goes, getting in means getting out. Because you can't take on something new without consciously deciding to discontinue something old. Effective goal setting requires the courage to stop doing things that you know are destructive to your life and your career.